So today we're going to look at data protection in Excel. This is Excel 2021, and we are going to look at protecting the sheet and protecting the workbook. We are going to start with protecting the worksheet. So in protecting the sheet, this is where you allow people to edit some portions or some parts of the sheet and not others. So I can allow people to write their names and everything, but or even the age, but I don't want anyone to tamper with the salary and the emails or even the IDs. Maybe I can let them just edit their IDs because they are. Now, I don't want anyone to change anything about the salary and the email. Anything else they can change. So you do that by first unlocking the cells which you want other people to be able to edit by doing that. So you highlight the sections where you want other people to be able to edit. So you right click, you go to format cells, and in format cells you go all the way to protection. Then you uncheck this so that it will be unlocked. Click on OK. So these two columns are unlocked. Then you go to the others. I also want people to be able to edit these sections. Right click, the same thing, format cells, go to protection, uncheck that, you click on OK. Now the only place which is locked now is the salary and the email. So you now highlight everything, Control A. Then you don't right click, you go all the way to protect the sheet, and then you have this dialog here. So you select all the actions that you don't want other people to be able to do. You go to the password, 1 2 3 4. I'll put that. You make sure you put a stronger password. Click on OK. You will re-enter the password, 1 2 3 4, like that. Click on OK, and the sheet is protected. So as you have seen, this area has been grayed out, so you can't share or unshare or allow edit ranges. Now if for example I go to this, I can be able to edit anything. I can be able to edit. I can even change the age to anything like that, but I cannot be able to enter the salary. Check what happens. You can see the cell or the chart you're trying to change is in a protected sheet. To make changes and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So that's it. I can't even change the email unless I have the password, which we can be able to unlock by just highlighting. Or you don't even need to highlight anything. You just click on unprotect the sheet like that, and then you put the password like that, and then you click on OK. So the sheet is unprotected. We can be able now to edit, yeah, like that. Now that's protecting the sheet. Now protecting the workbook, this is where you limit or you prevent other people from deleting, moving data, or even adding or removing sheets from your workbook. And you do that by just clicking on a protect workbook like that, and then make sure the structure is checked. Then you input your password. Make sure you have a strong password and a password you'll be able to remember. Click on OK. Then you re-enter the password like that. You click on OK. So anytime, for example, someone decides to let me delete, so you can be able to delete. You can even rename, you can move, and this is for the entire workbook. So any place you can be able to do anything. So a protected workbook will show this protect workbook with a gray highlights. So if you want to unprotect the workbook, you just click on protect the workbook again, and then you input your password, your very strong password. You click on OK. The options will be back. If I want to delete anything, I can be able to, and your workbook will be unprotected, like you'll be if you've not subscribed to this channel. I'm kidding. Anyway, see you in the next one. Make sure you are subscribed.